Now question number 2. What is the least number of squares that must be added so that the line PQ becomes the line of symmetry? So here we have 4 options over here. So let's try to solve this problem. So the whole thing is we have to create this PQ as a symmetrical line, and how we can do it? We have to simply add some more squares on both the sides so that number of squares will be equal on both the sides. Okay, so let's start with this first row. So here you can see we have 2 squares, so there should be 2 more squares over here. So let's try to add them by drawing 2 more squares. Okay, so we have drawn 2 more squares. So this row is equal, 2 squares are over here, 2 squares are over here, and in the next row you can see we have 1 square over here in this side. So there should be 1 more square over here in this side. Okay, now look over here, we have 1 square over here, there is no square. Okay, so there should be a square. Okay, and if we have total 2 squares over here, so there should be also 2 more squares. Okay, so this simply means we have to draw one more square over here. So you can see 2 square and 2 square. So yes, this part is also equal. Now next row. So here you can see we have 2 squares present, and here we have only 1 square. So what we have to do? We have to simply draw this square over here so that both sides should look exactly equal to each other. Okay, and in the next row you can see here we have 1 1. Yes, this part is correct, but this square is present over here. So we have to draw this square over here so that if you see both sides, they should look exactly same. Okay, now in the last row definitely we have to draw your square over here. Now you can see both sides are exactly same. Okay, if you see both are exactly same, they are actually identical to each other, they are symmetrical. So now we can say that PQ is exactly symmetrical, right? Now we can count number of squares which are added. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So here you can see option B is matching. So yes, option B is the correct answer for this problem.